Hello, welcome back to the channel. So, we did a little general poll on my Facebook page and asked what the next project I should build is, and the votes came out to the War of the Worlds Martian War Machine from the 1950s classic George Powell film. So there's our box art, and here's what we have in the kit. We have the instructions, not much to it really. We've got the turret, the Cobra head eye turret. We have a body assembly with clear pieces, and then everything basically connects to a base. So let's look at the pieces. So here's the base, bottom of the ship. Here's the entry hatch that's shown at the very end where the little hand crawls out and they die. These are the tripod points that were in the original film. You have to look really close, but there's these little green dots, little green lights that indicate the tripod. That's like the repulsors or something. The top of the manta ray design is there. Got an opening there. The base is the planet Earth with the War of the Worlds logo, so that'll be a nice little paint up, and that will hold all of our electronics. I ordered, hopefully will be arriving soon, I ordered an electronics kit for this. So, and when I get it, I'll review the kit for you and give you all the information on where to get it, but it is a soundboard and lights, so it will make the sounds of the ship, hovering, firing, dying. All the lights will flicker and flash the way they do in the series, so in the movie. So that's kind of exciting. There's the planet. There are our clear parts. So we have, there are the tripod legs. There's the eye, the red eye. I don't know what the clear one is. We'll find that out. And then wingtips, all that. Oh, the clear is going to be the rest of the Cobra eye. So the Cobra, the inside and the outside. There we go. And then the other parts we have are the Cobra head pieces. And I'm just going to leave that in there because it's all kind of falling off the sprue on me. That's going to be the directional piece for the Cobra head that will fit in there. That's the outside of the bar, so that'll go out there. And then we have the top and bottom of the Cobra head, and that is the base piece. So there we go. There isn't really much to this kit, really at all. Very, very simple, very easy kit, but what's going to be the big thing, and I'm going to have to wash all of this really good, is getting the copper sheen to it. So I'm going to get some really good copper rattle cans paint. I'm going to do a base coat, and then we'll get the metallic paint and get that on there really, really nice and polished, and then I'll cover it with a good clear lacquer so that, you know, we have a nice reflective shape. But yeah, that's all we got for this one real quick. It's the Pegasus models, War of the Worlds, Martian War Machine. Relive the excitement of the classic sci-fi film movie War of the Worlds with the most accurate model ever produced of the Martian War Machine. Rifle fire, rockets, cannon fire, missiles, bombs, all merely brushed aside with the deflector shields of the alien vehicles. The graceful lines of the war machine completely belie their awesome destructive potential as they hover forward on a tripod of electrical energy, completely ignoring all of man's efforts to stop them. The townsfolk flee as the army makes a desperate stand. Reports came in that the same thing is happening all over the world. Can nothing stop the Martians? We all know what stops the Martians in the end. Also, it's 1/48th scale if you're interested. So, that is our next build. So, as soon as I get the electronics in, I will go ahead and begin work on the project. As always, thank you for coming to my channel. Please like and subscribe, and that way you don't miss out on any other projects I come up with. And if you enjoy what I'm doing, please like my video. And as always, have a great day and keep on modeling. I'll see you later.